How to take a screenshot on Windows. Hey Windows users, need to capture what's on your screen. In this tutorial I'll show you several methods to easily take screenshots on Windows. Let's dive in. Press the PRT-SCN key on your keyboard, which is print scan, to capture the entire screen. The screenshot will be copied to the clipboard, or you can find it on your keyboard as IMPECR, which is Impre Écran in French. The screenshot will be copied to the clipboard. Press Alt plus that to capture the active window. The screenshot will be copied to the clipboard too. Press Windows plus that button to capture the entire screen and save it as a file in the screenshots folder in the Pictures library. Search for Snipping tool in the Start menu and open it. Click on New to capture a screenshot using the Snipping tools interface. If you're playing a game, press Windows plus G to open the game bar. Click on the camera icon to capture a screenshot of your game. And there you have it. With these methods, you can easily take screenshots on Windows 10 to whatever you want on your screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks for Windows. Hit the like button and share the video with your friends who might need to take screenshots. See you in the next one.